Quark, come in. I just landed on Tauron 4. Do the Fongoids know where I can find Azimuth?
Chief, something says he supposedly lives in the ruins of Fulgrim Pass.
Fulgrim Pass. All right. Maybe someone around here can point me in the right direction. See what else you can find. I'll be in touch.
Roger that. Work out.
Looking for Fulgrim Pass.
Fulgrim Pass, where the exile dwells. It is beyond this hollow, but we do not grant entrance to outsiders. They must find it for themselves.
Ratchet, come in. One of the Fongoids just told me about a race of brutal warriors who apparently hate Nefarians. They're called Tauron. I'm heading over there now to talk to them.
Quark, I don't think that's such a good idea.
Normally I'd agree with you, but the Fongoids insist that I leave as soon as possible. They even paid the Agorians to come pick me up. Isn't that nice? I'll keep you posted. Work out.
Welcome, outsider. I apologize for the ruse, but we like to keep our operation away from the prying eyes of galactic authorities. Come, you have proven yourself worthy. Fulgrim Pass is on the other side of the hollow, but you must be aware that there is a dangerous exile there. Most of our kind do our best to stay away from him.
Why? What'd he do?
Oh, you know. Attacked one of Nefarious's transports. Force a lot outpost and Korthos. The usual rebel stuff. Oh, not again. Do me a favor and grab that belly pod, will ya? Good for nothing creatures never stay in their sockets. Wonderful. Now, well done, outsider. And welcome to the Hollow. The battery bots are revolting. All systems are offline. Oh, call the home office. Tell them we have a code 11-13. Without power, I'm afraid access to Fulgrim Pass is impossible. Looks like you're out of luck, outsider. What's he doing here? Look at what we got here. Ain't she a beauty? Welcome to the ChromoNet Weapon Shop.
The Dynamo of Doom! Now this is a weapon for serious adventurers. Outnumbered by enemies? No problem. Even the score by deploying this remote-controlled orb. Once activated, you can steer it around the battlefield and wipe out the whole lot of them. The Dynamo of Doom, available only at ChromoNet.
Welcome back, Chief.
Attention, attention. We have a code here that is sorry, outsider. You don't battery car from the so we're stuck into the Yeah! All work must cease until the battery bots are recovered. The backup online. Up and running. Thanks, outsider. Support the magma conveyor in Sector 3. Connection, magma conveyor in Sector 3.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alistair Azimuth?
You've lost the element of surprise! Killing me won't be so easy!
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me! Who sent you? Porcelain? Nefarious? Figures they lack the spine that can flip me themselves!
Look at me! I'm a Lombax!
The Lombaxes are gone! And I know a hollow guys when I see one!
Can you stop trying to kill me for 2 seconds so we can talk?
Try this! You're starting to annoy me! How about a barbecue? You should have trained more before coming for me! I've toyed with you long enough! Not bad! It almost borders on talent! Now I've got you! It can't be. You're Caden's son. Forgive me. General Alistair Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's hover boots. Ready for your first lesson?
If you're going to stop Nefarious, you're going to have to learn how to outmaneuver him. Now, used properly, these hover boots will give you exactly the edge you need. Now, back straight, legs bent slightly at the knee, and engage. Wonderful. Well, take them for a spin. If you want to turn, just shift your weight. The boosters will take care of the rest. Ah! I see you found the accelerator! I've set up a small practice course for you over here. Come on back when you're ready to give it a shot. Well, looks like you've got the basics down. Now let's try something a bit more challenging, like this hoverboot course. Well done. You're a faster learner than your father. I have one final test set up over there. Are you ready? All right, follow me. And now for your final exam. We'll test your speed as well as your skill. You must complete the course and grab every flare along the way in under a minute. If you succeed, I may just let you keep those hover boots. You definitely have the skill, but you were a little too slow. Let's try again. Faster. Definitely have the skill, but you were a little too slow. Let's try again. Faster. Some of the finest hoverbooting I've ever seen. Nice work, Ratchet. Ion coils might be a bit rusty. You'll get used to them.
Thanks. So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we gonna talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Terragnos.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank!
our nav unit so we can communicate.
Copy that. So, what's in Axiom City?
A company called Pollux Industries. Nefarious hired them to locate Sony technology. They keep a database of every obsidian eye in the universe.
Oh yeah, I found one once back on Murdergraw. Too bad the Hulafoids dismantled it.
Pollux won't just let us waltz into the building. We may have to be a little aggressive.
I'm ready. Be there as soon as I can.